Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sierra and I welcome you to my channel. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm strictly just going to talk about 5 things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel, so that you all who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2023 have all of the things that you need mapped out in knowledge, so that you can have a successful YouTube channel this year. So at the end of this video, I hope that you all comment down below and leave me a comment to let me know if you are starting a YouTube channel, if you just started one and you need more tips and tricks and things like that. I also have a video that's here that will be posted in my description box down below that will give you all basically an idea of videos that you all can come up with for your channel. So I have my phone here. This is my other phone. I'm gonna read through my list on my phone here of things that I have written down. I have 5 things that I just wish that I knew before starting the YouTube channel. So idea number 1 I have written down is like video ideas. Like your plan, you should already have at least 50 video ideas already written down, already thought of, brainstormed on paper or in your head or in your notepad if you have iPhones. If not, then at least 50. You know, want to have videos planned. Due to the fact that, you know, like reasons why you should have videos scheduled and planned is because there could be times where you're doing, you have like family things going on, you have home life going on, you're in school, work, things like that. So these videos add up to be reasons why you know, should have a video schedule or a list of videos that you want to put out onto your channel. And of course, number 2 is to make a business email. I can't tell you guys how many times I did not create a business email separately for my channel and my teacher's channel, to the point where I was getting emails for both channels to one email, and I wanted to break it up. That way people knew this is my channel and then they knew that this was my teacher's channel. Definitely make a business email, not only to get emails about sponsorships and things like that, but just definitely make a business email, because you never know who's watching and who might want to sponsor you, send you things, or ask for a review and things like that. Number 3 I have is to be cautious with your music. Let me just say, I can't like describe how many times my videos have been uploaded and I literally have a copyright claim, right? So I just can't tell you how many times. Intros using 7 or more seconds of a copyrighted song, it will be copyrighted. And so what you can do is upload it, and then if it shows up that you know, it's copyright claim, you can take it down, go back in and edit. That's why one tip I'll give you guys with this one is edit your videos and then do not delete any of that information. Go ahead and go back in, edit your video clips, sound clips down a little bit, see if that helps, and go from there. So number 4 I have is that YouTube is sensitive, so be careful. When I say that, we're also talking about the copyrighted music. Like if you curse too many times, if you have booty shaking, you know, then you won't get your coins. And that's just something that YouTube is very sensitive about, which is kind of like when I sit back and watch some of these channels, I'm very curious how they get paid as well, because there is a lot of cursing in some of these videos. And you know, yeah, sometimes it is very funny, but like I said, I just wonder. And number 5 is to be confident. You know, confidence is key. And you know, like if you come into YouTube or onto YouTube being yourself and like just, you know, showing people what it is you really like to do, and you're confident with it, then I feel like your YouTube channel will be very successful. So these are just 5 things that I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Especially the last one can hit very well with anyone. Like if you have no confidence coming onto YouTube, then it's kind of like, how are you going to make it on YouTube, but confidence is key, consistency is key, and just being yourself. So great things to know before starting a YouTube channel in 2023. We're all jam-packed in this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you also subscribe, and I hope that you all leave me a comment down below of anything else that you all feel is something that someone should know before starting their YouTube channel in 2023. And I hope that those people check out the comments down in my description box down below and come over and check out your content as well.